One of the old stereotypes about computational scientists or software engineers is that we spend a lot of hours with closed windows and working on computer, but in reality that's not really the case anymore. The work is extremely creative in nature. In the fluid dynamics department, we're looking at how things like wind, rainfall interact with things you see in everyday life. So this could be either aircraft, buildings, or even trees. Our work with our partners in the aircraft industry is looking at how different types of surface imperfection or surface irregularity affect the performance and fuel consumption of an aircraft. We try to give them an idea of how well different panels need to intersect to make sure that the performance they see at the design stage is what actually happens in real life. In this project, we work with our experimental partners and they help us make sure that our simulations are accurate and we're simulating what happens in the real world. For this project, we're looking at how the air flows over wings at a certain speed and how the different imperfections affect the performance. And the issue is that for simulation, we can't always go to the real world wind speeds and the real world size of the aircraft. So here we work with our experimental counterparts who look at a downsized airfoil in their wind tunnel that are also able to go closer to real life scenarios than we can do via simulation. And this helps value add to the work we do with our industry counterpart. With research projects, there's always the possibility that you're going to face certain stumbling blocks. And the good thing about working at IHPC is that there are always experts on hand to support and help you get through it. Whether it's computational expertise, whether it's physics, whether it's maths, there's always someone that will know about what you're going through and can help out. Outside of work, most of the time now I spend playing with my puppy Albert. In the free time that he gives me, I also like to play football and golf. It really helps me to unwind when I'm not at IHPC and helps to prepare me for the next day. One of the great things about working at IHPC is the variety of different people and the variety of different projects that you'll come across. There aren't too many places in the world where you'll have a computational psychologist and an astrophysicist under the same roof. It means that each time you walk down the corridor, chances are you'll bump into someone new doing something that you'd never heard of before, and it's a real opportunity to learn something new every day.